how to make this very shaky video. To this. If you have an Android phone, get your Android phone, then let's start the tutorial. No, not like that. Anyway, let's begin the tutorial. First of all, let's install Google Photos from Play Store. But I think your phone have already this without you knowing. You just need to update it if needed. After installing or updating, open Google Photos. Choose any video you want to stabilize. For this tutorial, I will just use this video for sample. Let me rotate the video first. Sorry for the inconvenience. As you see, this video is very shaky. This video was taken while riding in a motorcycle. Now it's time to stabilize the video. After stabilizing the video, you can now save. And done! From this shaky video to this smoother video. Subscribe for more tutorials.